Hi, welcome back to the video 24 of our Adobe Premiere Pro course. In this video, you are going to learn how to import the LUTs for your log footage and how to color grade it in Adobe Premiere Pro in simple steps. So follow along with me, you will learn new things in this video, and make sure you check the description box for all the resources so that you can create better videos for your YouTube channel. So let's start. So after opening the Premiere Pro and importing your footage, any log footage, this is how it looks. So I imported the Sony S-Log footage. So that's why it is looking like that. And even I downloaded the log converting files as well from the Sony website. See, most of the brands, the Sony, Canon and different brands will give you the LUT conversions for free in their official websites. You can check it out depending on the camera you are using. So I'm using the Sony camera. This is in S-Log 3. So if I go to the Lumetri color panel, I'm currently in Lumetri color panel. So first what I do is I just show you my workflow, a basic color correction, then choose the input LUT. After that, click on browse. Now choose where you pasted the S-Log conversions, then select that, hit on apply. As you can see, the LUT conversion is happened. I'll show you, this looks good. This is the before and this is the after. So now what I do is I click on the auto so that the Adobe Premiere Pro does the automatic color correction. I check the Lumetri scopes then. If this graph is under 90, that means I need to increase the exposure. So I check with exposure slider, one is looking good. Yeah, even I can go like 1.5, but it's washing out some of the highlights. So I'll make sure it is at 1.2. After that, I check my hands as well, whether the skin colors are good or not. For this case, yeah, they are looking good, no issues at all. Later, you can, if you want, you can increase or decrease the sharpness and everything. I covered this in the previous video. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. This is how you can import the LUT file for any clip in Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can do the quick color grading. In the next video, you are going to learn how to do the color matching so that you can copy any colors from one scene to another scene with ease. So just make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to the side of it so that you don't miss any of the future updates. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.